Realme has just held the launch event for the Realme 15 Series 5G, which comes in two different variants and includes wearable accessories. However, what is equally interesting is that the special edition Realme 15 Pro Game of Thrones Limited Edition was also introduced globally and immediately went on sale officially. Yes, the arrival of the Realme 15 Pro series was a little late, and on the same day, Realme fully revealed its collaboration with one of the most popular series airing on HBO. Of course, this is not the first time Realme has collaborated. Some time ago, the Realme GT7 Special Edition was released, partnering with Aston Martin Aramco F1 team to provide a more exclusive design, and it was also produced in limited quantities. The collaboration between Realme and Warner Brothers has resulted in a smartphone with an exclusive design, where the Realme 15 Pro Game of Thrones Limited Edition features the world's first Dragonfire color-changing technology. Its back panel can change color when the device's temperature is increased.
The launch of the Realme 15 Series 5G took place at Chillax Suderman, unlike the Realme 15 Pro Game of Thrones Limited Edition, which was exhibited directly from the Game of Thrones studio tour located in Northern Ireland, which is where the series was filmed. Krzysztof Agnieszka, Realme's PR lead, stated that this collaboration is presented in the form of custom devices designed with young people in mind. This collaboration demonstrates how Realme plays creatively. It's not just a brand collaboration, but also proof of our continuous innovation in materials, design, and the youth experience. We hope everyone will be inspired to express themselves boldly and feel the meaning of Own Your Real Power, explained Krzysztof. Of course, the design of the Realme 15 Pro Game of Thrones Limited Edition is exclusive with a number of distinctive touches, starting from the back panel, which is designed differently with golden and black accents, to the leather back surface with a special decorative pattern inspired by the Great House's emblems, plus a 3D Seal of Power House Targaryen ornament in the middle. Interestingly, the black surface on the back of the Realme 15 Pro Game of Thrones can change color, turning red when exposed to water at 44 degrees Celsius, which is perfectly safe thanks to its IP69 certification. And of course, it's not just the smartphone's body design that is custom and exclusive. The software and accessories are too.
The device box is specially designed with a Westeros map design, also inspired by Daenerys' dragon egg wooden chest. Inside the Realme 15 Pro Game of Thrones box, you will find an Iron Throne phone stand, parchment letter, King's hand pen, and a complete set of photo cards with stickers. Meanwhile, inside the device, there are two special themes, Ice and Fire. This exclusive device is sold in very limited quantities, with only 5,000 units of the Realme 15 Pro Game of Thrones Limited Edition available globally. The good news is that consumers can already purchase it, with the initial sales period having started on October 8th. The Realme 15 Pro Game of Thrones Limited Edition is priced at US $483 for the 12GB RAM variant with 512GB internal storage, which is about US $60 more expensive than the standard variant. As a bonus, it comes with a premium gift box containing accessories worth $36 US, cashback of up to $60 US, and free 30-day subscriptions to Amazon Prime Video or WeTV.